Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And today I'm going to be reacting to a trailer of a Malayalam film. The movie name is Veil, starring Shane Nirgam and Shine Chapo. So I'm super excited. And I want to thank this one viewer who actually updated me yesterday that this trailer has dropped. So please react to it. So thank you so much for letting me know. And I know that you guys have asked me. So many of you have asked me to react to the Kurup teaser, but I didn't do it because I've already watched the teaser, so it doesn't make sense for me to now react to it. But when the official trailer drops, I will definitely do a reaction to that. And this, let me just I'll just shoot it, edit it at God's speed and try and post it as soon as possible, like apart from my regular 6 p.m. videos which will anyways drop. So yeah, let's react to Veil. Wow, really excited. Okay, 1, 2, and yes, I'm using headphones.
എനിക്ക് അവരൊന്ന് കാണണം. നീ പോയി വിളിച്ചോണ്ടോ
മനമേ
Wow.
മനമേ മനമേ നിങ്ങളെ പ്രേമിക്കണമെന്ന് കാവലിരിക്കാൻ എനിക്ക് ഭ്രാന്തല്ലേ പോയാ ശ്രുതി വരണണ്ട
വരണേ
മനമേ
എന്തേ നാണം വരുന്നുണ്ടോ?
ഇല്ല
കവിളൊക്കെ ചെന്ന് തൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ.
ഒന്നുമില്ലടാ നിന്റെ കൂടെ നശിക്കണ്ടെന്ന് പറയാൻ വിളിച്ചു മനമേ
അവനെയൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചില്ലേ അവനെങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാവില്ലേ?
ആ വീട്ടില് ഒരാൾക്കും എന്നെ വേണ്ടാത്തോണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഒന്നിരിക്കണം. ഇതൊന്നും തരാൻ തുടങ്ങിയൊന്നുമല്ല, ജനിച്ച അന്ന് വരെ അങ്ങനെ.
ബാക്കിയുള്ളവരുടെ മൂത്ത് തീ പിടിച്ചിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ അവന്റെ
ഇപ്പൊ ആർക്ക് വേണ്ടിട്ടാ സ്വന്തം ലൈഫ് വേണ്ടെന്ന്
ഞാൻ പറയട്ടെ, നീ വിചാരിക്കുന്നു
ഞാൻ ജനിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ പോട്ടെ.
നിക്കാറില്ലേ
Damn. It's over? Okay, it's over. Wait. Okay, so that was the trailer of Veil. Quite an interesting trailer. Now I know for a fact now that the Malayalam movie trailers, they give out nothing of the story. But couple of things that I wanted to share or my thoughts after watching this trailer is that number one, the background score, like the song that was playing in the background, that is so serene and beautiful. Maname or Manave, I don't know, please let me know. I'm really sorry if I've pronounced it incorrectly, but oh my god, what a beautiful background score and such an emotional melody. So secondly, I feel this is like a more of a drama genre, wherein what I gather is that Shane is a person who is basically not really doing anything in his life, and I think it's a family of 3 where the other thin guy, I don't know his name, they are brothers and there is their mother is there, so it's a family of 3 wherein I think the brother is doing some sort of a job maybe, but Shane is really not doing anything. And like he said in that dialogue that nobody really wants me and that's why I come and sit here, and it's not just like it happened yesterday, this has been like going on for like years and years. So I think he also has a lot of self-esteem issues maybe in the film, wherein he thinks that he's just gonna live his life like this only, and there's literally no hope for him. People have lost hope on this guy, and then he also that kind of, when you have your society thinking that you are really useless, it really affects your own self-esteem, and you really start to believe that you actually are useless and not worth anything, and it really starts affecting your emotional and mental health. So I think how he overcomes that is maybe the story, because Veil, I I know it literally means sunrise. So I think this is him overcoming his self-esteem issues, his lack of confidence towards himself. So I think how he develops and builds his self-confidence is probably the story. And I didn't see Shine. I think I saw him on one scene maybe. It's more of like Shane Nigam's movie. So very interesting, I think. And I love the movies where you show a person's journey. And for a fact I know that in Malayalam movies the content is like churned out so realistically, and the events that are usually depicted of a journey of a person, they're usually shown very realistically. So I am extremely excited for this movie. It said rising soon, so we obviously do not have a date. Do we have a date in their description? Presenting official, no, they have only given the credits. Yeah, there is no date mentioned of release, so we really don't know. So I'll keep a tab on when this is releasing and where this is releasing. That is the most important part. If it is actually going to get a theatrical release, are the makers gonna wait, or if they are going to release this on an OTT. So this looks like such a nice, I think this is also going to be a very emotional feel-good film where a person can learn something that life, when whoever puts you down in life, and life, everybody, if they're just putting you down, there is still hope at the end of the spectrum, and you can rise again. So I think that is going to be a really interesting watch. So yeah, that was my thoughts on the trailer of Whale. Please let me know what were your thoughts after watching this trailer. Are you excited for this film? And please do let me know. I'm actually, like I said, I'm really thankful for this viewer who actually told me that this trailer had dropped. So I really appreciate it. Please do keep me updated. I am also gonna try and keep myself updated on all the new releases. But help from you guys is always appreciated. So if you have come till the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.